In case you missed part 1, this is the thumbnail to look for.
Moving pictures. Hello there, moving picture.
What's up, Doc? I've been all around the world. Every city, every place. Always been a restless girl.
So finally, about 5-ish, I guess, we're finally entering Magic Kingdom.
Just like we planned.
And already I'm getting lots of comments on my Buc-ee's Halloween shirt. Last month when I wore it, I got lots too. He's a popular guy. You know what this means? Happy dance, happy dance. Although it's kind of sad. The last time I'm doing the happy dance for who knows how long. At least a minimum of 6 months, but probably more. They're preparing to do the flag retreat ceremony, but it might be 6 more minutes, so I'm not sure if we're going to stay for it. But they're telling the guy who's going to do it, giving him his instructions.
Our flag retreat ceremony. Once again, please join us in just a few minutes in Town Square for our flag retreat ceremony. Thank you.
As we're waiting for the ceremony to start, I turn around and this mayor is one of my favorite Halloween decorations, but I don't know if I've ever realized that there is a pumpkin Mickey head on his watch. So this ceremony starts at 5 p.m.
Hello, we are the Dapper Dans, and on behalf of our Magic Kingdom Security Color Guard and Main Street Operations, we are pleased and proud to welcome you to today's Flag Retreat Ceremony here in Town Square. Our Town Square Flag Retreat Ceremony is one of our original Magic Kingdom traditions. We are honored that you have taken time from your day to become part of that tradition with us.
Please join us in saying the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please join us in singing God Bless America. God bless America, land that I love. Stand beside her and I heard through the night with the light of
privileged to be joined today by a very special Armed Forces Honored Representative. Please join us in welcoming today's Armed Forces Honored Representative from the United States Navy, Lieutenant John Watson, joining us from Hudson, Florida.
Please enjoy the rest of your day here in the Magic Kingdom.
I literally have goosebumps. I've never seen that in person before. I wonder if he gets to keep that flag. Anybody know? I'm gonna guess no, because that would be Disney buying a lot of flags every year. Well, I got some of the bricks laid. Got some more to go. Okay, thank you. He's so stinking adorable. I was so worried. Oh my gosh, I didn't realize he had a little pumpkin. I was so worried they were going to be out because I'd seen nobody walking around with them. Get out. What is Tiana doing up there? Remember when the Muppets did a show from up there? This is new. Wow. Got a new Haunted Mansion Loungefly, and you can just barely see the bats.
They got more of those here.
Where? Oh, go see if they have your sauce. And then this bag with the wallpaper.
So the other thing
I like the snap, like in the Haunted Mansion Tommy Bahama. That's pretty cool. Check out the $100 chess set. What is going on? She's never been out here meeting people. This is awesome. Wow. 6:18 and we're finally gonna ride our first ride. It's a small world. 20-minute wait. Wow, Peter Pan is 110 minutes? Whoa, so last year when we came this time of year, it was not this busy. I just came up with a wonderful solution to telemarketers. So I just got a spam call while I was on here, and I answered it and just let them listen to It's a Small World music until they hung up. Hi-ho Sunday, Snow White cone in one of these 7-drawer specialty cones. See any Chip and Dale? Oh, I forgot to tell you what I did. So while we were on It's a Small World, I got a spam call. So I answered it, and I let them hear It's a Small World until they hung up. Is that not brilliant?
That is probably the most vicious treatment of a spam call I have ever heard of.
I love It's a Small World, by the way.
Dentro del vehículo y cuida a sus niños. Gracias. Please step carefully onto the moving platform.
Are rolling through the future, right by two of my favorite spots.
So our DVC bracelets are really cool at night.
Those are the bones.
Galaxy M31. Please keep forward-facing vehicles clear of oncoming vehicles. Thank you.
5-minute wait that it quoted, I kid you not, about 8.5 minutes. About 6.5 now, so by the time we get in the door, no more than 2 minutes, so we'll say 8.5 minutes. I'm telling you people, they're trying to get you to buy a lightning lane in Genie Plus by inflating the wait times. Okay, actually I stand corrected. It was 7.5 minutes. And since the fireworks show is going on, we're gonna try and head over to Pirates real quick, because earlier that was an hour wait. This is when we like to ride Pirates. The fireworks are going on and it's like basically walk on. I smell the Pirates water. Yes, I love the smell of the Pirates water. Who knows what I'm talking about? Like, oh, I don't know. I think it just brings back memories like from when the kids were younger and just smelling this unique smell for the first time or first few times. This is awesome. Come out with Pirates and there's like nobody in here, and normally this place is packed. Ooh, new backpack. What? Yeah. Hey, I wasn't gonna miss that. Oh my God, it's here. Oh my God, it's here. This is the backpack. Oh, I'm gonna miss this ride. So we're gonna do this one more time, because by the time we come back, it will no longer be Splash Mountain. Exactly. So our very last ride on Splash Mountain will be row 12, the very back of the second car. Do you remember what the posted time was? I don't remember, but from the minute we got in the queue, we just got off the ride, 24 minutes, but the ride was down for about 5 of it that we waited. As I edit this, listening to the music, I literally have tears in my eyes. I am going to miss this nostalgic ride so much. Yeah, oh, got the mini. Got the buzzard. I'll show them close up in a second. But to show this, I wanted to go ahead and get these since Splash Mountain is going away. It wouldn't take money. There was a lady here trying to put in $1. I tried $1. It just doesn't take it. It only takes a card, but you got to get all 4. But that's okay because I got Splash Mountain souvenirs. Farewell, old friend. This was mine and the kids' favorite ride the first few times we came to the park. It's been years since I've had the waffle Nutella, although they can't call it Nutella, so hazelnut spread, and fresh fruit from Sleepy Hollow refreshments. This is like one of my favorite snacks, and it's just been years. So since it's going to be a while before we're back, I got one. Look at the big jacks they have now. He's not bendable. Like they had a smaller version years ago. And he's $26.99, by the way. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna miss this. Pick it up and do it again. Pick it up and set it back down. Or did somebody's magic band do that? Do it again.
I think somebody's method.
Oh, okay. All right. Okay, you can pick it up now. We made it go off without the magic band. You're supposed to only be able to make it go off with the magic band.
Unless you need any help right now.
You're right.
Nope, that one didn't do it. That's interesting. That's very interesting. All right, we're gonna try something else. All right, move your do your thing around over in front of that, like you were doing in front of that. Up and down. Go up and down. But that it wasn't that. There's nothing in that that would have set it off. That was really weird.
I got nothing.
All right, well. You did not hear them. Did you not hear them?
No, I did not.
They said Happy Halloween. Okay, that was weird. Watch out, there's people behind you. That was very weird. Okay, let's walk away.
Are you actively taking a picture?
We're all done now.
Okay. Yeah, but they should. Come on. Oh, yeah.
Okay, let's walk away. I told you. Did y'all hear that? I told Tom they talked. I told you.
Evil little chipmunks. We love you anyway, but you are evil little chipmunks.
Like they're like pranking us.
You're messing with us.
Oh gosh. Oh, this is so sad. A kid kicked their shoe off and the parent didn't know. OMG, this is stinking adorable. $34.99. I love these. Okay, it's time to head out and I'm having a really hard time. Like, oh, I don't want to walk out. Did you hear what you just said? Something about an active, something about an active snake alert. Yes, that is our boat. Please don't leave. He's leaving. Please don't leave. That's well, thanks for following along today. We are totally exhausted since, you know, we didn't sleep but so much in a car in a rest area last night. So subscribe so you know when we put up tomorrow's vlog. See you at the parks.
I've been all around the world, every city, every place. Always been a restless girl, but now there's a wind of change.